Reusable nail hand. Please use double-sided nail stickers or glue to fasten the fake nails to the fake hand. But double-sided nail stickers is easier to clean and more convenient to take off fake nails. In this way, the nail practice hand will be more durable. Flexible fake hand. This nail hand has more flexible fingers, nail hand can move and bend, and you can better adjust its shape and position. It's a very good nail practice hand for nail technician and training. Be friendly to beginners. Realistic practice hand. The outside of the mannequin hand is rubber, and the inside of the nail model hand is filled with foam, so the rubber hand is softer and looks more like real hand. Rubber hand package. 1x nail training practice hand and 1 nail practice hand holder. The stand can better help you install and use the acrylic hand. Service. Maybe we have 8 hours of jet lag, but I can promise to answer any questions you have within 6 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Great hand, good for practice. Very flexible, has good sidewalls and free edge, great texture, great maneuverability. Only issues kinda cracked when used acetone. Do remove acrylic, bought practice coat to fix that. Also the crank on the clamp a bit hard to turn. And the arm a bit short for a salon table, needs to be 6 inches longer to work with. All in all, great hand.